From project planning to problem solving on site. Construction site management requires a unique blend of technical expertise, leadership skills, and adaptability. This presentation explores the daily responsibilities, challenges, and triumphs of UK construction site managers as they navigate complex projects while ensuring safety, quality, and efficiency. A construction site manager serves as the senior leader responsible for site safety, progress, and quality standards. They are the central point of coordination between all stakeholders in the construction process. According to the Office for National Statistics, ONS, the UK construction industry employs over 2.7 million people as of 2024, contributing approximately 6% to the UK's GDP. Site managers oversee projects ranging from residential developments to major infrastructure works, including commercial buildings, hospitals, schools, and transportation hubs. Project scale: 18-month, £15 million commercial building in Manchester city centre, requiring coordination with urban planning authorities and local businesses. Workforce: 75 workers on site daily, including specialised trades such as steel fixers, electricians, and glaziers, alongside 12 different subcontractor companies. Timeline pressure: tight schedule with regulatory deadlines for inspections, environmental compliance, and contract penalties for delays exceeding 14 days. The site manager arrives before anyone else, typically in darkness during winter months. Their first responsibilities include conducting comprehensive safety checks of site entrances, walkways, and welfare areas. Reviewing previous days' sign-in sheets to confirm all workers left safely. Ensuring emergency access routes are clear and defibrillator equipment is operational. Checking weather forecasts to anticipate potential disruptions to planned activities. Site managers are typically first to arrive and last to leave, holding ultimate responsibility for site security and emergency response. Safety briefing: a focused 10-minute session outlining specific hazards for the day's activities, conducted in the site office or welfare area with all workers present. Risk communication: special emphasis on new or elevated risks, such as crane operations beginning today, concrete pour scheduling, or forecasted high winds. Learning from near misses: review of the near-miss log to share lessons learned, such as a recent scaffold access issue that was caught before causing injury. Team input: workers encouraged to raise safety concerns or suggestions for process improvements based on their observations. Site managers are legally accountable under the Construction, Design and Management Regulations 2015, CDM 2015, with personal liability for serious breaches. Weekly inspections: formal documented safety inspections conducted weekly, plus daily informal checks. PPE compliance: target compliance rate for personal protective equipment, tracked via dedicated safety app. Incident response: maximum time allowed for recording and reporting safety incidents. Schedule management: reviewing and updating Gantt charts in specialized construction project software like Primavera P6 or MS Project, adjusting for previous day's progress. Logistics coordination: checking material delivery schedules, confirming crane availability, and liaising with logistics team to ensure just-in-time arrivals avoid site congestion. Financial reporting: preparing and submitting daily budget and variation reports to headquarters by 9 a.m., highlighting any cost overruns or unexpected expenses. Regular meetings: twice weekly formal meetings with architects, structural engineers, MEP consultants, and client representatives to address design questions and progress updates. Urgent communications: example scenario: structural design change requiring immediate communication to steel fixers before they complete reinforcement work that would need costly rework. Documentation: maintaining a comprehensive stakeholder communication log for audit trail purposes, with all design decisions documented and signed off. Daily workforce management: supervising 75 workers across multiple trades including carpenters, electricians, plumbers, and general laborists. Verifying worker qualifications and safety cards, CSCS, at site entrance. Addressing language barriers with multilingual signage and translators for safety-critical communications. Maintaining an absenteeism target of under 2% through effective scheduling and a replacement worker rotation system. Site managers must balance productivity requirements with strict adherence to working time regulations and rest break provisions. Daily inspection routine. Regular checks of subcontractor work against technical specifications and building standards, with particular attention to work that will be covered up by subsequent activities. Documentation requirements. Comprehensive documentation including photographs required for each construction milestone, creating a visual record of compliant installations before they're enclosed. Performance metrics. Maintaining a first-time pass rate goal of 95% for all quality inspections, with rework tracked and charged back to responsible subcontractors when appropriate. Delivery management. Overseeing approximately £120,000 of materials deliveries weekly, with staggered arrival times to prevent site congestion. Inventory control. Implementing digital inventory systems to prevent theft and loss, including RFID tagging for high-value items. Delay mitigation. Monitoring supply chain issues and flagging potential delays for proactive problem solving. Waste management. Ensuring proper segregation of construction waste to meet recycling targets and reduce landfill costs. Case study: water supply line breach. Identify. Excavator accidentally strikes unmarked water supply line during foundation work. Analyze. Rapid assessment of water damage risk and impact on schedule. Brainstorm. Emergency meeting with plumbing contractor and engineer. Resolve. Temporary shut-off arranged, reroute plan developed within 1 hour. All incidents logged in the site management system for review, lessons learned, and future training purposes. 8:45 a.m. Fire safety notice. Fire officer identifies inadequate emergency egress route during unannounced inspection, issues verbal improvement notice requiring immediate action. 9 a.m. Rapid response. Site manager calls emergency team meeting including safety officer, project manager, and relevant subcontractors to develop immediate response plan. 9:30 a.m. Risk assessment. Decision made to close affected section of site while temporary egress route is established, impacting 15 workers but maintaining overall project progress. 10:15 a.m. Regulatory compliance. Health and Safety Executive notified within regulatory window, documentation prepared and submitted electronically before deadline. Essential record-keeping responsibilities. Maintaining statutory records including daily inspection sheets, visitor logs, and equipment certification documents. Operating an incident reporting system with 24-hour turnaround requirement for all safety events. Preparing for and facilitating regular audits by external safety consultants and certification bodies. Ensuring all workers have up-to-date training records and certifications accessible via cloud-based management system. UK construction requires particularly rigorous documentation due to Building Safety Act 2022 requirements establishing the golden thread of information. Coordination challenges. Managing 12 different subcontractor firms on site simultaneously, including specialists in electrical systems, FAC, plumbing, and specialized exterior cladding. Performance monitoring. Tracking subcontractor performance against service level agreements, with weekly scorecards measuring quality, timeliness, safety compliance, and site cleanliness. Issue resolution. Case example: nonconformity identified in electrical installation requiring immediate corrective meeting, documentation of the issue, and formal rework order with 48-hour completion deadline. Real-time communication. Two-way radios and smartphone apps used for live updates and immediate issue resolution across the expansive site. Team coordination. Daily WhatsApp group updates for contractor team, sharing progress photos, weather alerts, and schedule adjustments. Management reporting. Comprehensive written end-of-day report submitted to headquarters by 5 p.m., detailing progress, issues, and resource needs. Hands-on inspection. Personal inspection of critical work such as concrete pours, structural connections, and waterproofing installations before they're covered by subsequent work. Snag list generation. Creating detailed lists of defects and incomplete work, with clear assignment of responsibility and deadline for rectification. Subcontractor briefing. Direct communication with relevant trade supervisors about required rework, ensuring clear understanding of expectations and standards. Schedule updates. Revising the master schedule and risk register based on day's progress, with particular attention to critical path activities that could delay project completion. Budget reconciliation. Reviewing daily expenditures against budget, with a 0.5% daily cost overrun alert threshold triggering escalation to senior management if exceeded. Performance review. Evaluating worker and subcontractor performance, noting exceptional contributions and addressing productivity concerns for follow-up. Tomorrow's agenda. Setting priorities for the following day, preparing briefing notes, and scheduling deliveries or specialist activities requiring advanced preparation. Weather delays. UK construction loses approximately 8% productivity annually due to rain and adverse weather conditions, requiring contingency planning and flexible scheduling. Labour shortages. Post-Brexit skilled worker shortages necessitate creative solutions including apprenticeship programs, agency workers, and retention initiatives. Regulatory changes. The Building Safety Act 2022 and other evolving regulations require continuous learning and adaptation of workflows to maintain compliance. Leadership. The ability to motivate diverse teams, delegate effectively, and maintain authority while fostering collaborative relationships. Technical knowledge. A deep understanding of UK construction methods, safety legislation, contractual requirements, and project management tools is essential. Problem solving. Requires quick thinking and decisive action when facing unexpected challenges, developing creative solutions that balance quality, budget, and schedule. Resilience. Mental toughness is crucial to handle the pressures of responsibility, long hours, and multiple competing priorities inherent in the role. Results-oriented. Successful site managers consistently achieve high rates of on-time project completion and maintain zero major injury goals while delivering quality buildings.